cut into my Duracell cord. So I cut the end off. This was connected, cut it, putting a normal plug-in end on the end that goes into the generator. So it goes in the generator and then has this plug hanging outside of the back of the seat. And then on this end, I'm putting this on where I can now put any extension cord between the two of them, and I can run my solar panel as far as I want, or as far as the longest extension cord I have.
And you're doing this because we couldn't find the cord that we needed in Nicaragua.
So in Central America, the Anderson or the mini Anderson connector isn't available anywhere. No one's ever seen it. So this is the Anderson connector. In Central America, Anderson connectors are really hard to find. So we're at a spot where we need to run solar. So I'm breaking down and cutting into the existing cord to go and make a little pigtail. This will be the pigtail going into our generator. This goes over the seat, and then I can plug in an extension cord so I can run my solar panel anywhere in the campsite and recharge our generator, our Duracell generator.
Yeah, it's a good fix because otherwise we have to pull the generator out of the back of the car and it's tucked behind a bunch of other things, and essentially we're unpacking the car to charge the solar all the time.
So this cord, the pigtail I just made, really hard to get to. This is why I made a pigtail. It's really hard to get to. We used this end of an extension cord, so the modified solar cable couldn't be plugged into a 120 volt power source, causing a fire or explosion of the solar generator.